It's Katrina
and Caitlin,
and today we're going to be making a lovely arts and crafts activity that maybe you can do at home.
Yeah, have you guys had a watch of Sal's video and the story that they were reading? It was The Very Hungry Caterpillar. So we thought that you guys can have a go at making your own hungry caterpillar at home. Now, what do you think we might need, Katrina, to make a hungry caterpillar? What could we make out of?
Maybe we can look for some things that we've got at home. I know. Some egg boxes.
Some
That'd
egg
be a good
boxes.
idea. And it's got a lovely shape as well.
It has. Now, Katrina, shall we count how many pots we've got in our egg box?
Yeah.
You go first, because I think yours might be a little bit bigger.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Wow.
Now that's a lot of circles on my egg box. Remember, guys, when you're counting, to get your careful counting finger out.
And only touch one thing at a time and say that number. So it's one number for each object. So we don't go 1, 2, 3. It's just one number at a time, isn't it, Katrina? I'm glad you told me that because I might have forgotten. Okay, let's have a go and see if I can count how many pots I've got in my one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did you have, Katrina?
I think I had so I had the most, but I don't think I'm going to use all 12 of those to make my caterpillar, Caitlin. I might just use half. So I will cut the top half of my box using my scissors. Now, if you can't use the scissors all on your own, you might have to get an adult to help you.
Yeah, but reception children, you can definitely have a go at using some scissors by yourself. Have a go first before you ask an adult. So Katrina's going to cut hers. Now, I've got 10 on mine, and I'm just going to use these ones. So I want a smaller caterpillar than Katrina, so I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to cut those out with my scissors as well.
Well done, Caitlin.
Okay, so we've cut out our caterpillars. Mine is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 egg boxes long. How long is your one, Katrina?
Mine's is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 egg boxes long.
Great. Now, Katrina, what colour is the hungry caterpillar? Oh, I know what we can use. Let's have a look at the book.
Well, he has a red face and a green body.
Now, what could we use to change the colour of our egg boxes so that it looks like the hungry caterpillar?
Wow, I love to paint, Caitlin. So I've got some paints here. So I've chosen some red paint for his face and, of course, some green for his body.
Lovely. Now, I don't have any paint, but I do have some pens. So I've got a green pen for his body and a red pen for his face. So we're going to have a go at colouring those in and painting them so it looks like the hungry caterpillar.
So you can have a go at doing that at home as well.
Okay, now that we've finished decorating our egg cups, so I've got 1, 2, 3 green egg cups and 1 red cup at the end. 1, 2, 3, and one more is 4. So I've got 4 here. How many have you got, Katrina?
I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green egg cups and 1 red one. So 5 add 1 equals 6. 6 egg cups altogether.
Lovely. Now, Katrina, what are we missing? We've got the body and we've got the head here, but what do we need on the head? Ooh.
It doesn't have any eyes.
Oh, eyes. What could we use to add some eyes on? Oh, let's have a look. Now, in the classroom, we found some paper, which Katrina has cut into small circles for the eyes. And we also found some buttons. Have a look in your house, see if you've got any buttons. You might have some other things that are circular, or even just some paper is great. What are we going to do with these, Katrina?
So what I'm going to do with my paper is I'm going to take the paper and put them here on the table. Okay. And then I'm going to add my button. So I'm going to use a bit of prick stick here, Caitlin.
Okay.
And then I'll put a little bit on the button and stick it to my paper.
Oh.
Like that. So now I've got 2 caterpillar eyes.
Wow. They look just like eyes, Katrina.
2.
Okay, I'll do that with mine as well. So I'll put a little bit of glue on my button, stick that onto my circle for my eye.
There you go.
I've got 1, 2 caterpillar eyes. Now you can use anything you've got in your house, can't you?
Yeah.
Bottle tops would be really good to use as eyes if you've got some small bottle tops.
Yeah.
You can use buttons. Maybe you've just got some paper or some more cardboard, and that will work as well.
Yeah.
Great. So what should we do to stick these onto our caterpillar now, Katrina?
So we can use some more glue, Caitlin.
Okay.
And just put it on the back of your eye, like that. Like that. And then just pop it on to the caterpillar, just like that.
Lovely.
So just put more glue. Here you go.
Now I'm going to put mine on the red one on the end because that's my caterpillar's face. You've done the same, haven't you, Katrina?
I have indeed. And I've just popped them on. So if you can see, there's my caterpillar. And he's looking just like the one in the story.
There we go. And then there's my caterpillar. Oh, these look so
Brilliant.
good.
Well done, Caitlin.
Great, well
Good
done.
job.
Oh, Katrina, is there anything else that we can add? Because I might not know that's yours. So what could you add to it?
I know. I can add my name. And that's something that you guys can do at home as well.
So Katrina's going to add her name. I think, children, if you're in nursery, you can have a go at writing your name and sticking that with your caterpillar so everybody knows that it's yours. If you're in reception, you can have a go at writing a word, so a label, to tell everyone what this is. Now, first of all, I'm going to have a go. I've got my whiteboard here with some paper. Need a pen. I'll do my snappy crocodile, so lid off. And I'll snap, snap, snap down to the end, so I'm holding it right. The first thing I'm going to have a go at writing is bug, because a caterpillar is a bug. So let me listen to the sounds I can hear in bug. Bug, buh, buh. So it starts with a buh, so I'm going to jump on, down and over the laces. Oh, I've got my buh. I'm going to put my sound button in underneath it, so I know. So buh, what's the next sound I can hear? Buh, guh. But so jump on under the umbrella. Don't forget the puddle. So use my sound button as well. Guh. Guh is the next sound I can hear.
That's right, Caitlin.
Jump on, round the girl, down the hair, give it a flick. And I'll add my sound button in. Now don't forget to double check that I've spelled it correctly. So I'm going to touch my sound buttons and sweep it all together and check it's right. Bug. Great. Now, if you fancy an extra challenge, you can have a go at writing the word caterpillar, because that's what it is.
That's tricky, Caitlin.
So I'm going to break it down into chunks to make it a little bit easier. So I'm going to start with the first bit, which is cat. So it's caterpillar. So I'll start with cat. The first sound I can hear is a k. So I'll do my k here. Don't forget your sound buttons. K, at. So it's an a. Jump on. K, a. Can hear the t next. Thanks, Katrina. So cat. Oh, that sounds a bit like a doesn't it, Katrina?
Or it could be a
Yeah, so you could write but actually it's our digraph isn't it? Like mix so I'm going to put that in there. If you want to write a that's okay, but it is the digraph so let me put that in here. So it's an E and I'm going to do my digraph underneath to let you know that it's
Caitlin.
2 letters that make one sound. So cat p, illa, p, p. I can hear the p in there, so I'm going to put that next. P, I, p, illa. Yeah, I can hear it I next.
I can hear it I in there.
So cat p, l. I can hear the l sound next. Now, it sounds like just one l, doesn't it, Katrina?
I think it could be all, Caitlin.
So I'm going to add that in. So it's our digraph, our friendly l. Add my line underneath to let me know it's a digraph. So 2 letters that make one sound. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. It's tricky, isn't it? Caterpillar. Now, this is really tricky. It sounds like a like mix but actually it's the R sound, like car, R. So it's a and a together, and that's a digraph again. So 2 letters that make one sound. So I've got, let's sound it out together, Katrina. Are you ready? Caterpillar. Wow.
Well done, Caitlin.
Very good job. You can also have a go though. It sounds like a here. You could put an there. That's okay. It sounds like there's just one so you can put one and this one sounds like a at the end. So you can do that spelling, but this is how we would usually spell it. But yeah, great job. Katrina, have you written a label for your one?
I have written my name, and everybody knows Katrina's name starts with a kicking k. There it is. And
Lovely.
I am going to just stick it, Caitlin, right there to my caterpillar, just like that.
Fantastic. So here we have our finished caterpillars. Good job. Don't forget that you can send us some videos or photos of you making your caterpillars.
Yeah.
You can put them on our Twitter and use the hashtag LHEYFS1920, or you can email me or Eleanor or sell your pictures. We would love to hear from you. Thanks, guys. See you soon.
Have fun.
Bye.